and in that video I will teach you how to make KEBDA ASKNDRANY. KEBDA ASKNDRANY. KEBDA, it means liver, and Skandrani, Alex, you all know Alexandria, and let's call it Alexandria River. I don't know what to say it exactly, but let's call it Alexandria River.
Hello everyone. I wrote the ingredients in the Word document and I put it in the resources. You can go and see it, and you will find a second method to make Alex liver, and it's amazing. So first we have the ingredients that I told you in the resources. Here is in the picture, but I forgot to put that half cup of vinegar in this picture. And here we have the harissa, this red one. This is something like red pepper. It's very hot and spicy. It gives a great flavor to the Alex flavor. First we added margarine like that, and then we added the garlic cloves and the harissa, the red pepper that I teached you how to make it. Sorry guys, I forgot. We have to put the vinegar, half cup of vinegar, before we put the liver. But I did the opposite in this video. But we have to put the vinegar first before the liver. And then we keep doing like that. Then we added the pepper. You can put a hot pepper or not, as you like. But I think the hot pepper is better in this food. Then we added our salt, black pepper, and cumin. Then when it goes to this color, we can add the hot sauce. It's very delicious and it gives this food a great flavor. This hot sauce.